Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. In the last video we saw how to convert a lowercase word into uppercase. So in today's video we'll be learning the opposite of that, like how to convert a uppercase into lowercase. Okay. And for that we are using the function named lower. We have a function called lower in MS Excel, and this is used to convert uppercase into lowercase or any word into lowercase. So let's see how we can do it. I will show you the basic example. So let's see. Normal word. Yes. Lowercase. Okay. So here also I am entering same word. Hello. Okay, here let's see how we can convert this word hello into lowercase. So the syntax of the formula is very similar to what we saw in uppercase formula. So equal sign, lower, opening braces, then click on the word that you need to convert to lowercase. So here I am selecting the word hello, bracket, click on the enter key on your keypad. See, that's done. So we got the lowercase for the word hello. So similarly, we can also use any other word like mm, amazing. Here you can see that in amazing only A is capital letter, but we want to convert it into a complete lowercase word. So let's see how we can do it. Is equal to lower bracket, the word, close the bracket. See, amazing has been converted to lowercase. So this is how we can use lower function in MS Excel for various purposes. So this is a small and simple function you can use anywhere while you use MS Excel. So that's all for today from my side. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this small video. So if you like this video, please kindly like and share, and also provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. And for those who are coming for the first time on this channel, you may kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon, because whenever I upload new videos, you will be getting the notifications on your YouTube account if you click the bell icon. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye bye.